Okay, good morning, student. From last 20 minutes, I am standing and waiting for your meeting. Very good. This is called robotic team. Okay, algebra and geometry 2 assignment part 1, part 2 done. Today and tomorrow we will do assignment 3 of algebra. Today part 1, tomorrow part 2. Then from 25th to 1st you have holiday. So on second, we will start assignment 3 of geometry part 1. Is that okay? Now I'll start with this. Page number 61. Of first 2, 4, 6, 8. So write T1, T2, T3, T4. Difference 1 is equal to T2 minus T1. Difference 2 is equal to T3 minus T2. So find out first. It is 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4. If 2 are equal, then only find out third. So difference 1, difference 2, difference 3 is 2. Same. That is why therefore, what is the question? It's an AP, arithmetic progression. Third, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Again, T1, T2, T3, T4. In exam, you can write like this. Difference 1, T2 minus T1, minus 6, minus plus 10. So it is plus 4. Difference 2, T3 minus T2, minus 2, minus plus. Difference third means 4 minus third. 2 minus 2 plus. So difference 1, difference 2, difference 3 is equal to equal. Therefore, it's an AP. Then fourth, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, 0.3333, T1, T2, T3, T4. In these 7-8 holidays, for the 10th standard, all the subject teacher have given assignment. This is one type of revision, most likely question and most repeated question in SSC board exam. So do the practice. Don't only enjoy, take rest also. Keep away your eyes and yourself from mobile. So your mobile also will take the rest. You also take the rest and do writing practice, because from last 6-7 months we have just observed the mobile, appeared the online lectures. So these 7-8 days write a lot, so your notebook will be completed and your writing practice will be done and your revision also will be done. So it will be a multiple task profit. So don't waste the time. Okay. Difference 1, 0.333 minus 0.3 is 0.033. difference 2 is equal to 0.3333 minus 0.333. So it is 0.0003. So difference 1 is not equal to difference 2. That's why it's not an AP. If first two is equal, find third. If first two not equal, it is not an AP. If third is also equal, then it is AP. If third is not equal to first and second, it's not an AP. Simple. Then second, first, second, and 5 of second, first. A is equal to 10, difference is equal to 5. I have taken both positive. So your formula is what? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. So Tn is equal to A means 10. N is not given. Difference 5. 10. 5n, 5. 5 plus 5n. You can take 5 common, n plus 1. Suppose T1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 5s are 20. Therefore, that series is 10, 15, 20, dash, 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 with a difference 5. Standard formula also you have to write. Sequence also you have to write. Now both negative, both positive I have taken. Now both negative I am taking. A is equal to minus 19. D is equal to minus 4. Again, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. A it is minus 19. N minus 1. Sorry, minus, both are negative, sorry. So it is minus 19 plus minus minus 4n minus minus plus 4. So this will be minus 15 minus 4n Tn. So T1, if it is 1, so minus 14 minus 4 minus 15 minus 4 minus 19. T2, 2, so 8, 23. 4 4 difference. Therefore, minus 19 plus 4 difference 4 difference 4. Now with the difference 0, if there is D is 0, means it is a constant series of same number, you will get automatic. A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. Ayat, these numbers are appearing, or I have to write bigger. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Correct? So, zero into something is 0. So Tn is equal to minus 3. T1 is equal to minus 3. T2 is equal to minus 3 because n is not there. So that series is constant. This minus this 0, this minus this 0. So when difference is 0, the series is constant. all the element of the series are same, are common. When A is equal to 0, means series start from 0. And D is 2. So 0, 2, 4, 3, sorry, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose D is minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 3. D is 3 and A is 0. So 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. D is minus 3 and A is 0. 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 2. So when D is 0, it is a constant. All the elements, all the numbers of the series are equal. If A is 0, series starts from 0.
सर सर उन लोग को नंबर नहीं दिख रहा है.
हाँ, so that tell me, no, wait. This will be more sharp. Now it will be more sharp. Don't worry. First question, very important. You have to find out it is AP or not. Second question also, it is very important that A and D is given. You have to find out standard form in the series. Now, mix problem. Page number 64. First and four, it is very important. Now I'll write bigger, don't worry. Find Tn for the following. Then find T30th. 3, 8, 13, 18, dash, 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 dash. Tn question. T30 question. So first we will find out standard form. It is given AP, so we have not to prove that it is AP. So A is always first term. Difference is T2 minus T1 is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Now Tn, A plus n minus 1D, Tn, A plus n minus 1 D, Tn 3 plus 5n, open the bracket, 5 minus 5, 3, so I'll write 5n first, 3 minus 5, 2, so first answer you got. Now the second answer, T30, 530 minus 2, 150 minus 2, 148, that is T30. So this is your second answer. Now, how many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 4? Two-digit numbers. First, just write two-digit number. Two-digit numbers are starts from 10, 11, 12, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now two-digit but divisible by 4 are This is not divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Plus 4. Plus 4. Sorry, I have written 100. 2 digit, 99. Sorry. 98, half 49, half not possible. So 96. Previous is 92. Previous is 88. This much. This much are only divisible by 4 and 2 digit. First, find out all 2 digit. Among that, find out divisible by 4. Then A is equal to 12. Difference is equal to 16 minus 12. Divisible by 4, so automatical difference will be 4. And last number is given 96. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. When you have to find out n, don't open the bracket, just simplify very easily. 96, 12, n minus 1, don't write, don't open the bracket. D is given 4, 12 minus n minus 1. 84. N minus 1, 4. This 4 goes down. Divide by 84. 84 divided by 4. 2 za, 1 za. N minus 1. 1 this side. 22. There are 21 numbers. How many numbers? Correct. Sometimes they will ask for the total. So that also we will complete. Sn. N by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So that is n 22. 2a. A is 12 plus n. D, difference is 4. This is half, so 11. 12 to the 24. 21 4 za. 24 plus 4 1 za 4, 4 2 za 8, 11 za 4 4 8. This is 0. Now S 22. Any number into 11 means first number same, last number same, total. 1181, that is 108 into 11. $64 we have complete, now 66. First is activity type. For example, I am taking -3, -8, -12, -18, 13. Now the question is, what is T1, what is T2, what is T3, what is T4? That questions box are given, you have to write. Then D1, T2 minus T1, minus 8 plus 3, plus minus minus, that is why. D2, T3 minus T2, minus 13 minus minus plus 8, D3, T4, T3, minus 18 minus minus plus 3. And at the end, they have asked what is A. First term is always A. What is D? Common difference, minus 5. Correct. Second question. Find it is AP or not first. 12, 5, 2, 9, 16. Find 20th term if it is AP. T20 question. So here we have to check it is AP or not. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. Up to that you have to write A is equal to T1 is equal to minus 12. Difference 1 is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 5 minus minus plus 12. So 7. Difference 2 is equal to T3 minus T1 is equal to 2 minus minus plus 5. 7. D3 is equal to T4 minus T3. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 7. Therefore, it's an AP. AP series, correct? Now, A is equal to minus 12. D is equal to 7. N is equal to 20 because we want T20. So Tn as per that. Tn A N is 20 minus 1 D is 7. Correct. 12 reduce. Because already substituted. So T20 1 to 1. Three digit and divisible by 5. Sixth sum. 3 digit number which are divisible by 5. So 3 digit numbers are start from 100, 101, 102, 998, 999. 3 digit lowest 100, highest 999. Among that divisible by 5 we have to make it separate. 3 digit divisible by 5, that is 100, 105, 110, 990 995. That is the last number. Now, how many in the total? Both we will find out. So your A is equal to 100 divisible by 5. So the naturally the difference will be 5. N we don't know, but T N we know. Last number 995. Whenever you have to find N, don't open the bracket. Just simplify very easily. Hundred. Correct. 179 is equal to n minus 1. N 1 comes this side. Now we want the total. In this question, they have not asked, but for the practice, I am explaining this. 2A plus N minus 1, difference 5. This half is equal to 90. 200. 179 multiplied by 5. So 90. 200 plus it is 1,800, 200, 1,000. Total is this. You can tally this total how? First number, last number, that is 1095. 995 plus 100 means 1095. And there are 180 numbers. There are 180 numbers. So I have taken one pair. Second pair also this. Third pair also this. Fourth pair also this. Fifth pair also this. Out of 180, 90 pair will be also these. So 90 time pair 109, 1095. So our answer is correct. Like that you can tally in this sequence. One more same question it is given from 10 to 250 divisible by 4. How many numbers? So find n. 10 to 250. So the numbers are 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 9, 2, 5, 0. But divisible by 4. That is 12, 16, 20, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 8. not this. Correct. So your A is equal to 12. Your difference divisible by 4, so 4. And your last number is 248. N is equal to question. Again, when you have to find out N, don't open the bracket. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Tn is given 248. A is given N not given 1 D 4. 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 times N minus 1. 2, 3, 6 N minus 1 divide by 4. This one goes this side. So there are total number of 60 different number which are divisible by 4, and it is in between 10 to 250. Tenth sum, see 10th sum. Seventeenth term is 7 more than 10th term. Given that 17th term is 7 more than 10th term, find the common difference. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So when T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1 D. So A plus 16D. Now Tn again. T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 D. A plus 9D. Always 1 less. 17 so 16. 10 so 9. Now substitute in this equation. T17 is equal to 7 plus T10. This is A plus 16D. 7 plus A plus 9D. A cancel, simple. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 1. We want D only. Now very important question I am solving, that is the last 7th, when it is of two variable type question. Two variable last question. Then in next part 2 I'll solve full problem set. T11 it is given 16. T21 is 29. Find T41. It's like simultaneous equation. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So substitute. This is 16 a plus 16 minus 1 d.
Sir,
Answer is given.
sir, only 1 minute is left.
You told me no, it is unlimited. Okay. So a plus 15 d. 29 a plus 20 d. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. I will copy this here. 16 is equal to a plus 15 d.